Okay, so you want to know how to create a template for Capcut on PC or Mac? Well, I have the solution for you. The first thing you have to do is to create a new project on Capcut. Then you have to make it look cooler, like what you want to get the template. For example, if I want to do a musical video, I can go here to stickers and I can make to a sticker appear here from audio, make it here. Then you can add some default effects, some captions, etc. You can add a text, for example. I mean, you can put it here. For example, my music, um, easy way. You can make it shorter and you can change the position of it. For example, move it here. And next, you have to put your video uh, back down in the timeline. So here this is a way of how you can get a template. You can make it more beautiful. I'm doing it fast to show you how you can make it. You can add captions too, some filters, some transitions to put between your videos, etc. So if this video was useful, please share, subscribe, like, comment, and see you in the next Easy Way video. Goodbye.